Hey guys, if you're watching this, chances are you're having trouble accessing Discord in your country, at work, or school. Maybe you're in China, UAE, Oman, Iran, or another country where Discord is blocked. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily unblock Discord in just a few simple steps. What you'll learn in this video: why Discord is blocked in some countries, how to bypass restrictions using a VPN, step-by-step guide to using NordVPN to unblock Discord, why free VPNs don't work and can be dangerous, what to do if Discord still doesn't work. You can click the link in the description to get NordVPN, the best VPN for unblocking Discord and staying secure online. By the end of this video, you'll be back on Discord chatting with friends, joining servers, and gaming as usual. Let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about why Discord is blocked in certain places. Some governments restrict access to communication apps for various reasons: censorship. Some countries like China and Iran restrict online communication. Regulations. Places like the UAE block VoIP services to push users towards paid alternatives. School and work firewalls. Many schools and workplaces block Discord to reduce distractions. But no matter where you are, there's an easy solution: using a VPN. Since Discord blocks users based on their IP address, the best way to bypass restrictions is to use a VPN, virtual private network. What does a VPN do? It changes your IP address, making it look like you're connecting from a country where Discord isn't blocked. It encrypts your connection so no one can track your activity. It bypasses firewalls, allowing you to use Discord at work, school, or even in restrictive countries. Why use NordVPN? Fast and reliable. No lag while voice chatting. Works in restricted countries. Obfuscated servers bypass even strict firewalls. Strong security. Protects your data with military-grade encryption. Easy to use. Works on PC, Mac, mobile, and even routers. Many free VPNs are slow, unreliable, and often sell your data to third parties. Some don't even work in countries with strict restrictions. If you want a safe and fast solution, using a trusted VPN like NordVPN is your best bet. Now let's get Discord unblocked in minutes with NordVPN. Here's what to do. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to get it at a discount and sign up. Step 2. Choose a subscription plan. NordVPN offers monthly, 1-year, and 2-year plans. Longer plans are cheaper and come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device. Step 4. Open NordVPN and connect to a server in a country where Discord isn't blocked. USA, UK, Canada, Germany, etc. Step 5. Open Discord. It should now work without restrictions. In rare cases, if Discord still doesn't work after connecting to NordVPN, try these fixes. Clear cache and restart Discord. This fixes connectivity issues. Change VPN protocol. Some ISPs block VPNs, but NordVPN's obfuscated servers help bypass detection. Try a different server. Some servers work better than others. Switch to another location. Use NordVPN's dedicated IP, optional. If Discord detects VPN usage, a dedicated IP may help. This should fix 99% of issues. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to unblock Discord and bypass any restrictions. Discord blocks users based on location, but a VPN easily fixes this. NordVPN is the best option because it's fast, secure, and works even in countries with strong firewalls. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a discount and access Discord today. Did this method work for you? Have any questions? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.